So welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be changing something on the inside of the Audi TT Mark 1, and it's in this box what we have to go on. So let's hit the intro. So let me show you what we have in the box. But look at that, a nice new gear knob, billet aluminium, all custom made from a company called Mtech. I'll put a link in the description to their eBay shop so you can see the products they do. They do customized stuff as well, and I'll also put a link to their website, which you can see here, but also in the description, where you'll find things 10% cheaper on their website than on their eBay shop. They do obviously many different ones, a few little examples. I went for this one. I like this style and I like that ricing, so what I did is I had this one made but with that style ricing from a different one that they do on, and I think it looks absolutely awesome. Also, what you get in this is a little bung inside, so it is threaded. Don't know if the camera's picking that up. And you get these little bungs. This bit already comes inside, which should be cut to length, and you just pop that in there, so when you tighten the gear knob down, the numbers will be facing, you know, it will be facing the right way. But if that's not the case, Mtech does supply a bit more on this, so you can cut another piece if you need to be, if that bit isn't quite right, but usually it's pretty spot on. So as I said, let's get the other one off and get this one on. So it's pretty straightforward to remove the old gear knob. It's literally just turn it anti-clockwise. It might be stiff to start with, but it will go. So yes, just turn it anti-clockwise, keep on turning it, and it will start going nice and loose. Start pushing down the rubber bit to get it out of the groove on the existing gear knob. So you just push that rubber down, but just be careful with it that you don't split it. So I found pushing it around all around the edges until I could see the bottom of the existing gear knob, like that. Then it literally just spins right off, and off it comes. So it's a little bit different on the bottom of the standard one, and there's this little seal left over, so just pop that on there. We won't be needing that, so just put that whole gear knob to one side now. Let's get the nice new Mtech custom gear knob out, put a little bung on top and then push down, and then just screw it back on. Happy days. And just get it nice and tight, and obviously make sure it's all pointing the right way by the time you've finished. Get nice and stiff. Done. Little tweak, there we go, sorted. So it's looking pretty good. So now what we need to do, now we need to pull the rubber boot up into a little groove, as you can see on the new knob, which it has the same as what the original knob has, that little groove, and you'll see the rubber will just slot into that groove. Just like that. And there we go, job done. All on. So there's the old one and there's the new one. I'm really pleased with how well that's gone on, and as you can see, swapping them over takes literally a couple of minutes. I think that looks absolutely wicked. Comment below what you think. I think it looks a lot better than the original. There's nothing wrong with the original. I think it's a nice style, but sometimes it's nice to have something a little bit different, and I think this looks really cool. Thank Mtech for sending me this one. So if you want to go and get yours and have a look at the other styles they got, have a look on their eBay shop, have a look on their website, and see what they've got and see what they can do for you. If there's something you want a bit more customized, you want to change a few bits around, just message them, let them know on their website, and I'm sure they'll be able to sort it out for you. So I want to say thanks Mtech for a great product, nice and solid, really well made, and really pleased with how well it fits. It does look the nuts. Just a simple modification like that. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.